Welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead, your ultimate destination for gardening inspiration and tips. In this video, we are thrilled to share with you more ingenious garden hacks to help you create a thriving garden oasis right in your backyard. Whether you are a seasoned gardener looking to elevate your skills or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, these hacks are sure to enhance your gardening journey and bring new life to your outdoor space. In our previous video, 15 Garden Hacks for Thriving Gardens, we explored a range of practical tips to help you cultivate a flourishing garden. If you haven't seen it yet, we highly recommend watching it after this one. A link will be provided at the end. So stay with us as we explore these simple yet effective techniques to elevate your gardening experience. Oh, and before we get started, would you be so kind as to subscribe to our channel? If you find this video useful, please like and share it with others. All of this tells YouTube that our channel is worth watching and helps our community grow. Now, on with the video. The ultimate hack to safeguarding your garden from diseases that cause yellowing leaves. Yellowing leaves on your plants can be a sign of underlying health issues. In this segment, we delve into natural solutions to combat this problem and effectively protect your garden from various diseases. As the warm months set in, nature bursts into life, and it's essential to cater to the needs of each plant in your garden or balcony. Proper irrigation and the right amount of sunlight are crucial. Understanding these requirements is key to keeping your plants healthy and vibrant. Different plants have varied watering needs. Some thrive with abundant moisture, while others suffer from excess humidity and water stagnation. It's vital to moderate watering practices to prevent issues like root rot and fungal growth. High temperatures can lead to the emergence of mold, fungi, and other pathogens, causing your plants to develop dry, yellow leaves, a sign of distress and poor health. To tackle these challenges and prevent diseases such as powdery mildew and downy mildew, you can use a natural remedy made from common household ingredients. Here's how to create and use this effective solution. Effective natural remedy for healthy plants. Ingredients you will need. Milk. Contains enzymes and proteins that fight against fungal diseases. Baking soda. Acts as a deterrent against fungi. Preparation. Mix 1 liter of water with 100 milliliters of milk and a tablespoon of baking soda in a spray bottle. Application. Shake the mixture well and spray it onto the leaves of your plants. This helps combat existing fungal infections and prevents future occurrences. Benefits of milk and baking soda. Milk provides beneficial microorganisms that combat fungi and strengthen plants. Baking soda prevents the yellowing of leaves and the spread of fungal diseases. Nutrient boost. Supplies potassium, calcium, sodium, and proteins, enhancing overall plant health and resilience. Apply this treatment regularly until you notice an improvement in your plant's health. This dual-action remedy not only addresses diseases but also nourishes your plants, ensuring robust and healthy growth. By following these steps, you can maintain a thriving garden and keep diseases at bay naturally. Next up, the magic of cinnamon in the garden. Why you should sprinkle cinnamon on your garden. Cinnamon, renowned for its warm and sweet aroma in the culinary world, offers remarkable benefits beyond the kitchen. Gardeners have discovered that this beloved spice can be a powerful ally in maintaining healthy and vibrant plants. By sprinkling cinnamon in your garden, you can protect against diseases, deter pests, and promote root growth. Here's why you should consider incorporating cinnamon into your gardening routine. Natural fungicide. Cinnamon possesses potent antifungal properties, making it an excellent natural fungicide. It can help prevent and treat fungal diseases such as damping off, which affects seedlings and can cause them to rot before they have a chance to grow. Sprinkle cinnamon powder directly on the soil. After planting seeds or seedlings, lightly dust the soil with cinnamon to protect young plants from fungal infections. Apply to affected areas. If you notice mold or fungus on plant stems or leaves, sprinkle cinnamon on the affected areas to inhibit further growth. Rooting agent. Cinnamon also acts as a natural rooting hormone, promoting root growth in plant cuttings. This is particularly useful when propagating new plants. Dip the cuttings in cinnamon. Before planting cuttings, dip the cut end into cinnamon powder. This helps stimulate root development and protect the cuttings from rot and disease. Ant deterrent. Ants can be a nuisance in the garden, often protecting aphids and other pests that harm plants. Cinnamon serves as a natural deterrent for ants. Create a barrier. Sprinkle cinnamon in a line around your garden beds or at the base of plants to create a barrier that ants will avoid crossing. Animal repellent. Certain animals, such as rabbits and squirrels, can wreak havoc in your garden. The strong scent of cinnamon can help keep these critters at bay. Sprinkle cinnamon around the perimeter. Spread cinnamon around the edges of your garden and in areas where you've noticed animal activity to deter them from entering. Soil health. Cinnamon can improve soil health by acting as an organic amendment that helps reduce the spread of harmful bacteria and fungi. Mix into the soil. Incorporate a small amount of cinnamon into your garden soil to create a healthier growing environment for your plants. Healing agent. If you accidentally damage a plant or if a plant suffers from an injury, cinnamon can assist in the healing process. Apply to wounds. Sprinkle cinnamon on plant wounds to help them heal and prevent infections. This is particularly useful after pruning. How to use cinnamon in your garden. Prevent damping off disease. Sprinkle cinnamon powder directly onto the soil and over seedlings. Encourage root growth. Dip plant cuttings in cinnamon before planting. Deter ants and small animals. Create barriers around garden beds and plants with cinnamon. Promote healing. Apply cinnamon to plant wounds after pruning or accidental damage. Regular application is crucial for maintaining the benefits of cinnamon in your garden. Reapply after heavy rain or watering to ensure continuous protection and benefits. Cinnamon is a versatile, natural tool that can significantly benefit your garden. Its antifungal properties, ability to promote root growth, and effectiveness as a pest deterrent make it an invaluable addition to any gardener's toolkit. By incorporating cinnamon into your gardening routine, you'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your plant's health and vitality. So next time you reach for cinnamon in the kitchen, consider taking it out to the garden as well. Now, let's talk about tricks to double your harvest of tomatoes, cucumbers, and other vegetables. In the quest for a bountiful garden, certain natural aids can make a significant difference. These time-tested tricks can help you double your harvest of tomatoes, cucumbers, and a variety of other vegetables. Bone meal, nature's nutrient-rich elixir. Imagine the remarkable power of bone meal. Derived from the finely ground bones of animals, this natural supplement is rich in phosphorus and calcium, vital elements for plant development. Phosphorus is crucial for root development, flower formation, and fruit production, while calcium is essential for building strong cell walls. By incorporating bone meal into your soil, you can prevent the dreaded blossom end rot, a common issue in tomatoes and peppers, ensuring your plants thrive and produce abundantly. Simply sprinkle bone meal around the base of your plants and gently work it into the soil. Its slow-release properties mean your plants receive a steady supply of nutrients over time. Next, consider the humble yet powerful organic compost. Often referred to as black gold by gardeners, compost is decomposed organic matter rich in nutrients. This nutrient-dense material not only boosts soil structure, but also improves moisture retention. Compost provides a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with a host of micronutrients. By enriching your garden with compost, you create a fertile environment where beneficial microorganisms thrive, breaking down organic matter into forms that plants can easily absorb. Composting kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials reduces waste and enriches your garden. Spread a generous layer of compost over your garden beds or mix it into the soil to enhance plant growth and health. Epsom salt, the secret to lush greenery. Another invaluable ally in your garden is Epsom salt, a rich source of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Sulfate, on the other hand, is a key component of plant proteins and enzymes. By applying a dissolved solution of Epsom salt monthly, you can promote lush, vigorous growth and improve the overall health of your plants. To use Epsom salt, dissolve 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants. You can also sprinkle Epsom salt around the base of your plants and water it in. This simple addition to your gardening routine can make a noticeable difference in the health and productivity of your plants. Fish emulsion, a natural fertilizer from the sea. A nitrogen-rich natural fertilizer made from processed fish parts. This potent elixir enhances leaf growth and overall plant vitality, ensuring your vegetables remain healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Fish emulsion provides a quick boost of nutrients, making it ideal for use during the growing season when plants need it most. Dilute fish emulsion according to the package instructions and apply it to your plants every 2 to 3 weeks. The strong odor may be off-putting at first, but it dissipates quickly, leaving behind only the benefits for your garden. Coffee grounds, a sustainable soil booster, often discarded but packed with nutrients. When added to your garden, coffee grounds improve soil structure and drainage while providing nitrogen, an essential nutrient for plant growth. Additionally, coffee grounds can help repel pests such as slugs and snails. Collect used coffee grounds from your daily brew and sprinkle them around the base of your plants or mix them into the soil. Over time, the grounds will break down, releasing their nutrients into the soil and benefiting your plants. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic, making them particularly beneficial for acid-loving plants like tomatoes, blueberries, and roses. Eggshells, nature's calcium supplement. Eggshells, often overlooked, are a treasure trove of calcium. Calcium is crucial for cell wall structure and plant growth. Crushed and mixed into the soil, eggshells help prevent blossom end rot, a condition caused by calcium deficiency, and enhance soil quality. Collect eggshells, rinse them thoroughly, and allow them to dry. Crush them into small pieces or grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Sprinkle the crushed shells or powder around the base of your plants and work it into the soil. As the eggshells break down, they release calcium into the soil, providing a steady supply of this essential nutrient. Seaweed extract, a boost from the ocean. Another remarkable addition is seaweed extract, which contains trace minerals and hormones that stimulate plant growth and nutrient absorption. Seaweed is rich in potassium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients that promote healthy growth and resilience in plants. It also contains natural growth hormones that encourage root development and improve stress tolerance. Dilute seaweed extract according to the package instructions and apply it to your plants every 2 to 4 weeks. Seaweed extract can be used as a foliar spray or watered into the soil. Its benefits extend beyond nutrient provision, as it also improves soil structure and supports beneficial soil microorganisms. Molasses, feeding the soil microbes. Let us not forget the sweet power of molasses. This natural product feeds beneficial soil microbes, improving soil fertility and overall plant health. Molasses is rich in sugars, which provide an energy source for microorganisms that break down organic matter and release nutrients into the soil. To use molasses, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a gallon of water and apply it to your garden soil. This practice supports a thriving ecosystem in your soil, enhancing nutrient availability and promoting healthy plant growth. Regular applications of molasses can improve soil structure, increase microbial activity, and boost plant vitality. Companion planting, nature's synergy. In addition to these natural supplements, consider the practice of companion planting. Certain plants, when grown together, can enhance each other's growth and protect against pests. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can improve their flavor and deter harmful insects. Marigolds are known to repel nematodes and other pests when planted alongside vegetables. By carefully selecting and pairing plants, you can create a harmonious garden that thrives naturally. Companion planting promotes biodiversity and creates a balanced ecosystem in your garden, reducing the need for chemical interventions and enhancing plant health. As we conclude our journey through these incredible garden hacks, we hope you've discovered new and exciting ways to enhance your gardening experience. By incorporating these natural aids and time-tested practices, you can cultivate a garden that thrives with health and vitality. At Buckeye Bloomstead, we are dedicated to bringing you the best tips and techniques to ensure your garden flourishes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing and hitting the bell icon, you'll be notified of our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on our valuable content. We invite you to explore our previous video, 15 garden hacks for thriving gardens for even more insights and techniques to boost your gardening success. A link to this video can be found at the end of this one. We value your feedback and would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any topics you'd like us to cover or share your own gardening experiences and tips. Your insights are invaluable to us and our growing community. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's continue to nurture our gardens with care, knowledge, and a touch of nature's magic. Until next time, happy gardening from all of us at Buckeye Bloomstead.